just tell him. Tell him. Oh my God, it's Tatooine. That's the sand, right?
Yes.
Tell him Tatooine. Vader will never go.
Yeah.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The resistance prisoners.
Tell him
You have
Tatooine.
what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
You're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Oh, I know you catching that on camera.
Actually, I'm not.
So like when he comes in, I'm just gonna scream Tatooine, Tatooine, Tatooine. Oh, they can hear us?
Just wait.
I just feel like it's right on top.
There it is.
Yo, that's fire. That's fire.
Safety is initiated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children.
Oh, it's a trackless? This trackless? Yeah.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
How are they going backwards? How are we going backwards?
Did it work?
Oh, it's
Good. Now give them more. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You have 30 minutes touching block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Detachment to level D. There we go. Fire. Take cover, recruits! If anyone's back in the blaster, now's a good time. The escape pods are below us! Wait, why are you going up? I said down, up is bad. Up is real bad.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields.
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the ventral cannons!
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
You guys ready?
meet you outside the wreck. All right, nice job,
Was
recruits.
the picture
Not
taken
what you
when we
signed on
dropped?
for, but hey, your resistance now.
Was there a
I
picture
think you have
taken
that
when we
authority.
dropped?
Right,
Okay,
Nick?
because I had my eyes closed.
Where's the lieutenant?
Is there a picture
Any
gonna be
eyes on the
taken?
deck?
Huh? Is one gonna be taken?
Oh, no. Lieutenant back here. Back! You're alive! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.